All right. So we're tearing this out. We're tearing this old stuff out. And I'm putting galvanized metal in here. The property owner wanted to put in so when you weed eat, you won't cut the holes in it. I've got vents right here. So I got 6 or 8 of these vents, and I'll put 3 or 4 on the front side, 3 or 4 on the back side, so you get ventilation underneath that house, because it's going to be galvanized. It's going to be this stuff right here. I done cut a piece of it to go in there. So this is what's going to be going in there. And these are the sharp pointed screws, self-driving screws that go in through there. I'll shoot it up the top, shoot it on the bottom with that track that's left. So it's going to go in here like this. It'll go up underneath of here. And all I got to do is slide her down. Like this right here. Slide her all the way down here to the end. And then I'm going to put a corner piece right here. And this is just going to go in this track for me. I got to make sure it's good and straight. And that's basically what it is. And then I'll put some screws here. I'm going to make sure it's straightened up. I'll make sure it's straightened up with screws in. And screws in the top, screws in the bottom. Keep going all the way across. And that's it. I'll come back and show you here in a minute.